Hi guys, welcome to my second video of the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing a small type of code I made. It's the age calculator, and this video is going to be really short because I'm just going over the basics of how to make an age calculator. So basically what you do is you enter in your age, and depending on what age you are, it shows the number of weeks that you have been lived, days that you have lived, and seconds you have lived. So for example, when I run this, the age I'm going to put is like 20. Now it'll pop up 1,040 weeks, 7,300 days, and this number of seconds. Now the days, weeks, and seconds, they round to the nearest year. And so I'm not that advanced that goes into like the exact second, the exact month, and like the exact date and stuff like that. So yeah, this was a really short video. I just wanted to go over that with you. But so yeah, this is how I did it. It's just print weeks int age times 52 because there's 52 weeks in a year. So then you print age 20 times 52, and that's how many weeks you've been alive. Print days, and then print age times 365 because there's 365 days in a year. So 20 times 365 would be 7,300. And then print seconds, print age times this much because this much is the number of seconds that are in a year. So then you multiply this number by age, and then you get this number if you're 20. So for example, if I put like 16 or 12, I've been alive. Well, I'm not 12, but the weeks are 624. The days are 4,380, and the seconds are this much seconds. The seconds are 378,432,000. And yeah, 378,432,000. So that's how many seconds you've been alive. So this is, like I said, it is a short video because we're just going over what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did enjoy, please subscribe so you get notified when my next content comes out, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.